What's good, Honey Drip, YouTube? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Aristotle Investments, R with the RAR, and we back with another episode of Market Talk. And today I'm going to show you guys some fair warnings that I see inside the market and what to look for because I see a dead cat bounce. Or I'm going to explain to you guys what a dead cat bounce is, and I see a famous chart pattern that could potentially drop the market. Now, before I give you guys the game and what I see, all I ask from you guys is to leave a like and a comment. All right, that's all I ask. All right, without further ado, let's get right into it. Let me give you guys what you deserve. So let's go on ahead and first of all, let me show you guys something real quick. First of all, I see a bear flag pattern right here. So if you guys want to know what that is, this right here is a bear flag pattern. Okay. So we have a flag, and then we have a pole, and then we have a flag right here, and a break of that particular flag pattern. And you guys can see another example. A downtrend, the flag that has a few touches of support and resistance. So support is your floor, resistance is your ceiling. Touch of support, resistance, whatnot, and then a break. So right here, what do we have, folks? If we zoom in, we have a bear flag, but you can see it better on the 4-hour chart. All right. Now, not only do we have a bear flag, but we also have a rejection right here of this green line. So this was once support. It broke support. And then now that support turns into resistance and it's still rejected. Now, what was that point on the daily chart? It was the 200 MA. Okay. It rejected the 200 daily MA and 21 EMA. And I predicted this entire move. All right. So where did I predict it? Inside of the watch list. All right. And I was in Africa when I predicted this. I gave my chat a video. This was March 20th. So today is, 6 days ago, I told them that I see this, and I'll show you guys what I see. All right, guys, let me explain something to you. The reason why I've been hesitant to swing is because right here, as you can see, we have a previous support that turned resistance right here when we broke, correct? And in this area right here, we could reject in this 200 MA, 8 EMA, this area, and 21 EMA. We could reject from here. So I'm playing cautious as far as swinging north and waiting on at least this area right here, us to come down here. Because I told people until we can convincingly break above the 8, really we got to break above the 200. So you guys see that I already said we were going to reject this area, but privately in my Discord. So you guys know what to do. Hit the link in the description, or I'll pin the link in the comments. And if you're on Instagram, comment the word trial. Actually, comment the word challenge to participate in our 1K to 10K challenge. And you can participate in it by clicking the link in the description or the comments. But anyways, folks, I already predicted that this was going to happen, told my chat this is going to happen. All right. So now, not only are we rejecting this same area that I told us we should reject, but I think we could come down lower. Now, remember, we have a bear flag, right? So right here, we have a bear flag. Now, the target for this particular flag pattern will be what, folks? By the way, we hit 2 for 2 on day trades, and we call the lift swing. Okay, folks. So you guys know that I also called the lift swing to everybody. See, I was talking about lift. So we caught that, by the way. That was pretty dope. And I even told them, let's see. So not only that, but I said it twice. I said lift. And then I also told them when it breaks 12, get in. And yeah, when it broke 12, it went crazy. Correct? And everybody made bank when Lyft decided to go up that day. And you see everybody talking about something. He called it. He called it, so make sure you guys tap into the small account challenge, because that's where I give the plays. But we went off and caught lift 55%. We got in before the news, so you guys might want to tap in, because we're going to be in some more plays. But yeah, folks, this may be our next play, and if I get in, I'll let my chat know. But if you want to know when I get in, make sure you guys tap in. But I think SPY puts will be the move. And also, folks, last but not least, remember the correction is down here. It's saying that if SPY breaks this bear flag right here, this flagpole, here's the flagpole, from the top of the flagpole to the bottom of the flagpole, it could break right here. See that? And this thing could continue to fall. So that's my only caveat, folks, is, we need to be extremely patient and see if this bear flag breaks. And if this bear flag breaks, it could be smooth selling, at least all the way down here. Oh, snap. That's about what the flagpole says. So the flagpole says we're coming down here. And that seems about right. So that's what the flagpole says. We're coming down to 512, 513-ish. That's what it's saying we're coming down to. And this is on Market Talk. Y'all can cash the check here. I'm telling you, that's what it says. And I also even told my chat that we're possibly coming down to the 541s. So, we must see. And then even with BTC, folks, this thing is at 87K. And if it breaks this particular trend line, it could be another correctional period even for BTC. So SPY is still fairly high and BTC is still fairly high. But if these things break down, they could break down, and that would be a blessing if it gets back to 50K. That would be a 50% retracement, more than a 50% retracement, and probably one of the best resets ever, because everybody and their mama could be just buying up the dip. All right, folks. But yeah, folks, I personally think we're in deep trouble. And let me show you guys what a dead cat bounce is real quick. All right, so this is like a dead cat bounce. You see that? A bounce that you thought was a recovery, but really it was loading to come back down. So we have a bear flag. You see that? A bounce that we thought was a recovery, but really was to come down. So I'm giving you guys technical. See that? So we probably thought this was a recovery bounce, but it's a dead cat bounce. Just to come down and, keep coming down, just the gist of it. So that's why I said in the beginning, we may have a dead cat bounce on our hands. Okay, folks. But anyways, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. Make sure you guys tap in and get you some money with us. Let me jump to present. And you guys are going to see that everybody made money on Lyft yesterday. So tap into the small account challenge so we can show you how to turn 1,000 into 2,000. But you guys see everybody making money on Lyft. You're going to see Lyft everywhere, because that's what we did, folks. We made sure people banked. See that? Lyft, right? So the small account, come get your small account gains. Another one, Lyft. So we make sure you eat, If you want to get in, tap in. Right now we're at 21, close to 2,200. So we grew the account about 120%, and we got more to go, folks. So make sure you guys tap into that. Click the link in the description. I'll pin the link in the comments, or comment the word challenge if you're on my IG page. Go to any post and comment challenge, or DM me the word challenge on IG. However you want to do it. All right. honeydripnetwork.com/challenge for the small account challenge. All right. Make sure you guys tap in. God bless you guys. And we conclude this episode of Market Talk. Let's get it.